Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to respected lecturer and fellow friends. Today, my group and I will presenting about Intel Malaysia, a company that greatly contribute to Malaysian growth in technology and manufacturing factor. Donald Trump increased United States tariff up to 10% until 50%, which experts call the largest tax hike in almost a century. This caused higher price for imported goods and affecting global companies, including our companies, which is Intel Corporation Bayan Lepas Pulau Pinang. So, as a general manager, I must lead my teams to adapt to this global economic change. First thing first, I need to choose suitable leadership dimension and leadership style. For leadership dimension, I choose flexibility and adaptability. I need to be flexible in our business strategy since imported cost from United States is higher. We might need to source some material from other Asian countries like Taiwan, South Korea, or even locally in Malaysia. This action automatically show adaptability by adjusting quickly to global change that are beyond our control. Next is leadership style. This is really important to our company so that all employees can give same spirit and good cooperation. As a general manager, I choose transformational leadership style. I will motivate and inspire employees to see this challenge not as crisis but as an opportunity to grow. For example, I can share company vision clearly. We will use this moment to strengthen our local production and prove that Intel Malaysia can lead innovation in Asia. I will encourage creativity and teamwork. When people feel inspired, they will perform better even in tough situations.
Leadership theory. Charismatic leadership. Key characteristic to sway followers, leaders, employees, theory and personal charm. The article evidence from reference to the plan as the Liberation Day Trump rollout. A sentiment and symbolic that reflect the liberation of the American economy. The illustration how charisma and symbolic are used to win over the public. Second, transaction leadership. Key characteristic emphasis using rewards or penalty to accomplish particular objective. The article evidence Trump forced other nations to renegotiate with the US by using tariffs as a negotiating tool. In the article, Trump was repeatedly posted on social media that he is negotiating with countries over their tariff rates so plan could shift. This employee economic action as a political tactic and demonstrate a result-driven leadership style. Other than that, it also has authoritarian leadership. Key characteristic is leaders really consult others before making decisions. The article's evidence is Trump has made sudden tariff announcements and withdrawals sometimes on the same day, which is Trump's tariff policy has been volatile with tariffs announced and the rapidly pulled back sometimes within the day. This demonstrates that one person, not a group, has a majority of the decision-making authority.
We explain three motivated theory that can help increases intelligence. First, according to Maslow hierarchy of needs, employers are motivated to fulfill their needs from basic to high levels. So, companies should provide fair salaries and job security first. Then they can motivate staff towards recognition such as top salesperson, awards, or promotion. Two-factor theory divide motivation into Heigen and motivator factor. Heigen factor include salary and work environment, while motivators are achievement and recognition. To boost sales, company must maintain both by giving bonus, sales content, and promotion. Lastly, Bloom's expectancy theory says people work harder when they believe effort leads to perform and rewards. So, companies should set clear sales target and transfer reward system to make employees feel that effort truly pays off.
I will use downward communication to give instructions, policies, and feedback from top management to all department managers. This helps employees understand their tasks clearly, especially during changes in import tax from the USA. Next, I will encourage upward communication so that employees can share their ideas, challenges, or suggestions with management. This allows us to solve problems quickly and make better decisions. Then, I will promote horizontal communication between departments. This ensures teamwork and coordination to maintain productivity and reduce costs. Lastly, diagonal communication. For example, the HR manager can directly contact a production supervisor to solve urgent manpower issue.
My part is barrier of communication that Intel Corporation may face when United States increases the import tax. The first barrier is cultural and language differences. This is because employers in Malaysia and United States have different ways of speaking, working, and sometimes messages can be misunderstood. Certain business term or expression used by US management might not be fully understood by Malaysian staff, and this can cause of delay in work. The second barrier is information overload. During this issue, many instructions, reports, and updates are shared at the same time. When there is too much information, employers might feel confused and fail to focus on the most important messages from the management. The third barrier is emotional barriers. Employers might feel stressed and worried about their job security and company performance when taxes increase. Emotional pressure can make communication less effective. This is because people may not listen carefully and respond properly to instruction. And the last barrier is technological barrier. Since Intel uses online platform such as meeting and email, technical problems such as lagging, poor internet connection, and system error can cause miscommunication between departments.